Baking up a storm. It was a cold and foggy morning. Jimmy did not want to spend his day outside. Instead, he wanted to stay in his house and bake up a storm. That's right, he wanted to bake all the things you could think of: cupcakes, brownies, pies, and cookies. There was only one small problem. His mom would not let him use the oven without her permission or supervision. She had left for work early after breakfast. His babysitter would be there soon, but not soon enough, he thought. Jimmy sat on his bed thinking about how he could use the oven to bake all the things he wanted to eat. He thought about calling his mom's work office, but he did not want to disturb her. He thought of doing it himself, but it was way too dangerous for a little boy his age. Finally, his babysitter arrived. "Hey, little man," Day greeted Jimmy. "How are you doing this morning?" "Hi, Day. I want to bake today," Jimmy said, fisting his hands and taking them to his hips. Day chuckled. "Oh, is that right?" "Yes, I want to bake up a storm." "A storm?" Day gasped. Jimmy's face turned red and he quietly explained,